TremoFlow software installation. Your TremoFlow system comes with a USB drive containing the software. To open the USB drive, press on the side. The USB drive will open and you can insert it into the USB port on your computer. The software installer will launch automatically. Alternatively, you can launch the software installer by right-clicking the icon and running it as administrator. Click Next to continue with the installation setup. Here, enter the username and name of the organization to whom you wish to register the software with. Click Next to continue. Check the location of the installation of the TremoFlow software. Check the location you wish to create the shortcut icon to the software. Mark the checkboxes if you wish to create additional shortcut icons to the software. Review your installation settings in the summary window. Once your software has finished the installation, click Finish to exit. When running the software for the first time, you will need to right-click on the TremoFlow software icon and run as administrator.